Finished editing in CapCut but don't know how to export your video? Here's a complete guide to export from CapCut on PC the right way. Before exporting, watch your full video inside the timeline. Make sure there are no black frames, cut off text, or extra clips at the end. A clean timeline means a clean final video. Now, click the Export button in the top right corner. It'll open a new window where you can set your video's name, location, and format. This is where the final settings matter. Next, choose your video resolution, like 1080p for social media or 4K for ultra-high quality. Then set the frame rate to 30 or 60 FPS depending on what you need. For most videos, 1080p at 30 FPS is the sweet spot. Now, pick the file format. Set it to .mp4 for compatibility across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. You can also choose .mov if you want higher quality and are working on professional projects. After that, choose where you want the file to be saved, maybe your desktop or a dedicated folder. Once that's done, click Export again to start the rendering process. CapCut will now render the video. This can take a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on your video's length and resolution. Be patient, the progress bar will show you how it's going. And that's it. That's how to export your video from CapCut PC, step by step. Like and follow for more editing tips that actually help you save time and create better content.